Hi sewing friends! Day 129 of 365 sewing makes. I'm Alice Murray and this is my channel, and every day at 7 a.m. I upload another video and show you a garment that I've made. And my goal of doing this, why on earth would I be doing this? My goal of doing this is that I am relatively new to sewing. I've been sewing for about 2 years, consider myself still a beginner, still learning, and if I can do it, you can do it too. And so I just want to share my journey with you, the things I learn, pattern reviews, fabric reviews, all of that, and hopefully I know your support helps me keep going, and I hope that these videos inspire you to do more sewing. So today, on a day 129, I have something I really like I want to show you. We'll have a peek at it and then we'll talk. It is these beautiful drapey pants. Aren't these lovely? I just love them. I wish I had a fancy schmancy party to go to because I would wear these pants. I made them from, I did a little pattern hacking. I made them from Butterick 4496. It says it's an EXPO pattern. It's from 1996. And what it has is a jumpsuit with wide legs and a little cardigan, or you can have a long full skirt. And what I did is I just borrowed the pants off of this. They're high-waisted, wide-legged pants. And they have pleats in the front and darts in the back, which makes very full legs. I just love them. This pattern is one of the patterns that was gifted to me by my husband's cousin Charlene. She gave me a whole box full, and I appreciate them so much. And so I just took the pant part off, and I just added a wide waistband. I put the zipper in the side and a hook in the eye at the top, and I think that worked really well. So this material, I have to tell you about it. It is this beautiful, I don't know what it is for sure, but it feels like silk. It's beautiful. And it's all black and cream. And my neighbor and friend who is letting me shop her stash brought this with the last batch I ordered and said, "Here, I'd like you to make some pants with these." And as soon as I saw it, I knew she was right. And I don't think she was home before I had these cut out. It's just such beautiful drapey material. I love them. And I'm just pairing it with this black top that I refashioned a couple months ago. It was a simple refashion, just basically taking it in. I can link the video that I originally talked about it with at the end of this one. So in my grateful thread today is my dear husband. How many times do I tell you about how awesome that guy is? He's always doing something awesome for me. And in my sewing room / spare bedroom, like I had a little corner, then we took the bed out, and now I have space. And he did something awesome for me. I had just a regular light you know, a bedroom light, and it was really hard to see, especially when I was sewing at night. You may remember a pair of pants I put a navy blue zipper in instead of a black one because it looked navy blue in the light that I had in there. And he, from the auto store, he got a LED light that is actually made to put in your garage or your shop or whatever. It just goes into the regular light socket, but it has many LED lights on it, and it is bright. And that is a game changer. If you have a sewing room in a dim corner, get some sort of LED lamp or something, because that is a game changer. It makes it so much brighter. I can sew into the night now. Who knew? So I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun. I will talk to you again tomorrow. Check out this video about the top.